Hello, I'm Yolanda and I'm here to help you to set up the multi-factor authentication to your user account in Click LCA. So first thing you need to do is download the Authenticator app from your phone's App Store, such as Google App Store or Apple App Store. Click LCA supports authenticator apps such as Microsoft Authenticator or Google Authenticator, and you can use either one of them with your login. Once you've downloaded the app, you can provide the email and the password details for the login and clicking on signing in. This will take you to the mobile authenticator setup page. And now open the app from your phone and use it to scan the QR code from the screen. You can name it the way that you will find it in the future as well. And now the software will ask you to provide one-time code. You can find this code in your Authenticator app. So let's use it for the login. And clicking submit will take you to the main page of the software. And next time you are logging in, the software will ask you to provide the one-time code from your Authenticator app. In case you need to reset your multi-factor authentication, you can do so from your user profile page. We are now at the main page of the software, and you can enter your user account page from the top corner where you see your name and click My User Account. Once you enter this page, you just scroll all the way down and you can see the button for MFA configuration. The software will direct you to your account security page where you can see the two-factor authentication and the applications that are enabled for your account. By clicking on Remove, you can remove the current application setup, and next time you are logging in to the software will ask you to provide new multi-factor authenticator details.